All right, YouTube subscribers. My name is Rayshawn, known as Raynez on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 32-inch white Hampton Bay Minuet 2 ceiling fan. Now, this time I'm showing it with the bleached oak side of the blades. Now, this video is a request for this gentleman by the YouTube username of Blake Spans and More. Because what happened back in August was that Blake Spans and More asked me if I can make a video of the ceiling fan showing with the bleached oak side of the blades. So due to the fact that I've been going to work every day and I've just been doing my side hustle job, so I really haven't had time to do my fan activities as much and stuff. So that's why I never gotten around to it. So I thought I'd just take this time out my day to make a video of the ceiling fan showing with the bleached oak side of the blades. So other than that, I'm about to go on and tell the information about this fan. So due to the fact that the file number for the ceiling fan is E136322, this ceiling fan was made by SMC and it was made in China back in May of 1998. Now, the reason how I could tell is a Hampton Bay Minuet 2 ceiling fan, the earlier variant of it is because this switch cap right here that's holding the light kit, it doesn't have the little rib things that an SMC ceiling fan switch cap has. And plus the motor inside the ceiling fan is white instead of it being black. So that's how I can tell that this is the earlier variant of the Minuet 2. But it does look exactly like the later variant of the Minuet 1. But the difference, well, if this fan was really a Minuet 1, then the motor inside the fan would have been black. And then the switch cap that's holding the light kit would have had the little rib things on there and stuff. If this was actually the Minuet 1, the later variant of the Minuet 1. So other than that, I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan starting off with the light. So here's what it looks like with the light off. And here's what it looks like with the light on. So I'm about to go on and turn this fan on low. But I'm not going to go through all the details about this because that's how I've been making my ceiling fan videos real long. So other than that, this is what it looks like running on low speed. And you just gonna have to excuse the background noise. That's one of my neighbors across the street from my house partying and stuff because somebody having a birthday and stuff. So this is just about low. Then I'm about to go on and put it on medium. And as you can see that this fan is still wobbling. And then I'm about to put it on high speed. And I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. So other than that, and if you guys are wondering what does this reverse switch do, it actually makes the fan go the opposite direction. So I'm about to go on and show you the evidence. So there's the evidence that the reverse switch makes the fan go the opposite direction. Dang it. But other than that, I'm about to go on and power it off now. So other than that, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out the video, and I am out.